In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a circle in Google Earth Pro. Now, the only way to do this is using a ruler. So to use the ruler, you want to go to either Tools, top left, and click on the ruler, or you could also click on this button up here if it's showing for you, and that's going to enable the ruler as well. Here you have a bunch of different tabs. You want to go to this one here in the middle, which says circle. Now click on it, and of course you can change the radius units over here and stuff like that. And then you can just click where you want the circle. So I'm going to click over here somewhere in Missouri. I'm going to click like this, and then you can drag it out. And as you can see, wherever you click, there's going to be the center of your circle, and then you can just drag it out. Of course, you don't have to be holding your mouse button for this. Just click once to create a start, go out, and then whenever you're done with your circle, like this for example, click once again, and there we go, you have your circle. Now to actually save this, click on the save button, and of course you can then give it a name. I'm just going to name this one circle like this, and click on OK. Of course you can add images to it, styles, etc. I'm just going to leave it like this, and there we go, we now have a circle over here on our map. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.